welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here today. I'm bringing you this review today for pinkypromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails, and you will get a code to save 30%. You can also email support at pinkypromise.com if you ever have any wig-related questions. So today I am going to be showing you one of my favorite Raquel Welch wigs. This is straight up with a twist, and the color on this one is Shaded Cappuccino, which is RL12 SS. More on her in just a minute. Okay, let's start talking about straight up with a twist. So of course this style has been out for a while. I didn't discover it until about a year ago. I mean, I had seen it, but I didn't try it till then. And I had it in the golden walnut color, and I decided that the highlights in that one were just a little too gold. So I sold it to a friend who really loved it. And, but I couldn't wait to get another one. So when I got the opportunity to get one from Pinky Promise, I jumped on it. So this one is in Shaded Cappuccino, which is one of my absolute favorite colors by them. This one is a blonde that has enough brunette in it that it stays within my comfort zone, looks good with my skin tone and my eyebrows and all that kind of stuff. So that's why I really love this color. So in this style, of course, you guys know me, you know how I love a bob, you know how I love a short bob, especially in the summer and spring and summer. And I love this length with heat-friendly fibers because I don't have to worry so much about the care of the ends. The ends are easier to care for because the piece is just a little bit shorter, so it's not rubbing on, you know, fabrics and stuff. So, but it's also easy to care for because it is a straight, heat-friendly. These are the true to life fibers, so it is a straight heat-friendly piece, so it's very easy to just take the flat iron and run it over these fibers. And you can find a video on my YouTube. In fact, I'll link it up here on how I do that, how I straighten out those heat-friendly fibers and just maintain them, you know, as they start to clump and get some little frizzies in them and stuff like that. So anyway, so back to straight up with a twist. She's so cute. So I will do a turn so you can see her all the way around, and then we'll get into all the specs and stuff. So here's my left, the back, my right, and then back to the front. Okay, so she has the beautiful sheer lace front that Raquel Welch is so well known for, and they do some of the best lace fronts in the industry, in my opinion, and in the opinion of a lot of other people too. Beautiful, beautiful lace fronts. She has a full mono top. I have her parted on the left, but you can part her anywhere you like. So you can middle part, you can part on the right. You're gonna get the appearance of scalp anywhere on that full mono top. I've got great coverage on the ear tabs around my face. I have just a tiny bit of bio hair that peeks through there, but it blends in with this color just fine. So this is an average size wig, but it does fit my petite head quite well. Fits great ear to ear. I had to bring the adjusters in just a little bit for the circumference, and then there's a little bit of extra room. So it's definitely average size, but I always tape down my lace front, and that just gives me the security of even if the cap is slightly big, it's not going anywhere. So that is how I make myself feel secure, you know, knowing that my wig's not gonna fall off. So anyway, so measurements for straight up with a twist. And I told you in my Real Deal video that I would kind of compare the two. So the measurements for Real Deal are all just a little bit shorter. So I actually have my measurements, excuse me, right here. So for Real Deal, we're looking at 6.5 inch sides, or 6.5 inch front, 6.5 inch crown, 4-inch sides, and now we'll get into the measurements for straight up with a twist. So straight up with a twist is 8 inches here in the front rather than 6.5, and 8 inches from the crown, so just longer layers. So with Real Deal, you're gonna see those shorter, choppier layers, giving the piece more texture. This one you're gonna see, you know, it's gonna be smoother. Let's see, crown, sides are 5 inches, back here is 7 inches, and nape is 2.5 inches, where Real Deal's nape is 2 inches. So other than that, they are very, very similar. Weight-wise, they're about the same. This one is 3.25 ounces, so it's super lightweight. So, I love this style. Can I say it enough? I love this style. Anyway, I'll pop her off and we can look at the interior of her cap. Okay, so here is that part. Looks really nice with the full mono top. You get that part that goes clear back to the crown. Looks very, very natural. Okay, so here is that extended sheer lace front. Goes all the way across the front there. Looks very nice, gives you great coverage all the way across your forehead and beyond. Gives you that appearance that that hair is growing right out of your scalp. You have a full mono top, so as I said, you can part that anywhere you like. You can see my fingernails under there, so you can see where you're gonna have that scalp appearance anywhere, you know, you part that wig. You have the soft felt ear tabs that are very comfortable, very flush against the face, nice piece of metal in there. Great amount of hair, you know, to make it look very natural on the ear tabs. They're not sparse at all. This is the memory cap too, so it's not the one that has the silicone, but still really, really nice with great stretch, open wefted, keeping it cool and comfortable. She has Velcro adjusters. She has an extended soft felt nape. It's nice that even though this is just a 2.5-inch nape, it's still extended. It just makes the wig lay very nicely on the back of your neck. So really, really nice. So there's plenty of stretch in this cap, so this easily goes over average as well, and plenty of stretch in your circumference. All right, let's look at this beautiful color, RL1222 SS, which is Shaded Cappuccino. Very popular color. This is a great color, as I said, if you're brunette and you want to add some blonde, you know, to your collection, or you want to start playing around with some blondes. It's not super blonde. There's enough of the brunette that shows through that I think you might find that it's more in your comfort zone than, say, you know, one of their lighter blondes. So really, really beautiful color. Lots of dimension. I just love the way this color looks. So the description of Shaded Cappuccino is a light golden brown base, heavily highlighted with light ash blonde with medium brown roots. So I feel like when they put gold and they put ash together, it lends itself to a more neutral shade, and I look better in a neutral shade, and so I think that's another reason why I like this with my skin tone. You can see that medium brown root. Around the face, you're gonna see the highlight, because this is where they do, you know, they concentrate the highlights more. But you can see that base color and root color coming through there too, kind of behind the highlight, and then you'll see that down here on the ear tab. Anywhere you separate the hair though, you're gonna see that rooting. So, you know, when the wind blows and stuff, you're still gonna see plenty of brunette in it, even though you might, if you don't normally wear blondes, at first you might be like, oh, that's kind of shockingly blonde, but it's not as blonde as a pure, you know, say a golden and a platinum mix or something like that. So really, really nice. I consider it to be, you know, a brunette blonde. So there's your rooting. I love this color. It's really pretty. Okay, so here we are with just overhead room light. So you can see what I'm talking about with that, you know, medium brunette that's in there. And there's a light golden brown going through it, you know, in your highlights. Or your base, excuse me, not highlight. Highlight is what they call the light ash blonde. There's your rooting. Styling and glasses and stuff. So one way that you can wear her is to just put her behind the ears, and she looks really cute like that. But she's really easy with glasses, no problem. You know, she's not full of permatease and poofy or anything like that. So she has a very natural density, which is really nice. So she works well with glasses. She's really cute with a headband. And you know, you can leave that, her bang, with it being an 8-inch layer, you can leave it back in the headband, or you can pull some of it out if you want to. So you could do that on both sides. You could do it on one side, you know, however you prefer to style her. Looks really, really cute. She does have the length, because of the 8-inch layer again, to clip her back like this. You're going to get kind of a bump up there on top, but I have tried it before and some of these layers are definitely going to come back out. So it's probably best, if you want to truly get, you know, the sides pulled back, to just clip those right behind your ear. And it looks really cute like that too. And then I love to like twist her and put, you know, like a little claw clip or a little sparkly clip or something like that in there. She looks really cute. Her lace front is fabulous. So, you know, you can feel comfortable doing that. And she is just super, super cute and really, really fun to style. You could also, you know, just stick your headband in as well, you know, or a scarf or whatever. So she's just a super, super cute style. So hope you can see why I love her so much. So thank you to Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review for you all today. There will be purchase information down below this video. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.